Hello everyone, and welcome to the Showcase channel. Um, Thanks for tuning in and making me part of your day. I have here a basketball hobby break, and it's something that I've had for a long time, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to open it or what I wanted to do. Um, but I think it's a treat to show it on this channel, to show it, give it to the public, and finally make it part, I guess. Um, this is a 1997-98 basketball Series 2 hobby logo here. We're looking for we got 36 packs, and this box is a huge box, and we've got all sorts of different inserts we can hit. So the sealed box, hobby exclusive. So I mean, this is gonna be awesome. I've never opened a box like this before. I'm just gonna show off the serial number to y'all there. I don't know if you can see that or not. See if it focuses. Alright, it's not gonna focus. Anyways, the last four are 9928. And the first three are 429. So, anyways, um, we're looking for autographics. I mean, we got everything you can think of inside. I mean, not everything, but we've got a lot of great hits that we can pull out of this box. So I'm gonna break the seal. Okay, I'm doing it. I'm opening it. I'm breaking it. Oh man, I'm breaking it. Oh man. I never thought that I was gonna bust this box. I've had it in my closet for 2 or 3 years now, probably. Maybe not 3 years, but at least a couple years though. Oh man, I'm breaking it. It's still crazy. I'm gonna be saying this probably the whole time I'm busting this box right now. Oh man, breaking a product that hasn't seen the light of day in many years. Over 10 years. Over a decade of this seal right here. Whew. Clear Skybox Hobby Exclusive International. There's the seal on the floor. There it is. Hobby. You got Charles Barkley on the cover of the box. Ooh man, here we go. Nice. Here we go. I don't even know where to put my mouse. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Okay, here we go. We got a full box. Full box. Oh man. Alright, this is gonna be a slow but sure box break. I'm not gonna be flying through this just like all my other box breaks. I usually take my time. Alright, well, here we go. Let's get it started. Pack number 1. And hopefully nothing messes up on this video or this thing, so I'll have to restart it, hopefully not. Ooh, pack number 1. I imagine that all these cards are probably going to be stuck together too. No, not too bad. I think if they're kept in a well-conditioned air place or something, they don't get stuck together. Ooh, man. Alright. I'll wait for I get to a star player to show off the base card look, just because I don't want my camera or my webcam to mess up or anything. But we have a J.R. Reed, a Dennis Scott, a Chris Webber. We have I think that's the Big Shots. Great Shots. That's a mini poster. Great Shots mini poster. We have a Grant Long. Sticking together a little bit. Mookie Blaylock. Oh, just dropped in there. Dudley, an Eric Motrace, and a Brian Grant. So these are all just standard base cards here. Nothing special. 97, 98, Hobby Box, Series 2. Let's see who we get in the mini poster. It looks like Joe Smith. I think the best mini poster to get is Kobe Bryant. I think that one's worth the most. I think it's like $8 or $10 for the mini posters. Um, but it just depends. You know, some people pay more for things, and some people pay less. Just really depends. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Alright, got a little bit of corner damage here right out of the box. It's always lovely. Alright, we got, ooh, looks like we have, lots of rookies here. Lots of rookie cards here. Alright, here we go. We have a Tim Thomas rookie. Kelvin Gatto rookie. A Gerald Honeycutt. That's also a rookie. A mini poster. Bobby Jackson rookie. Tyrone Hill base, and Eldon Campbell base. Ben Baker, Corey Alexander, and Antonio McDyess. The mini poster is Reggie Miller. Mini poster, Reggie Miller. Pack number pack number 3 out of 36 packs. Okay, Gerald Honeycutt again. Matt Granger, Hubert Davis. Mini poster, Bob Shura, the base card, a Rick Smith base card, Stacy, Armand Allen Iverson. There's a cool card. Good card. Oh, I'm gonna put this rookie right here. Or maybe I'll keep all the star players right there that I know what they are. There's Allen Iverson. That's just a base card there. Hey, there we go. There's Kobe Bryant for the mini poster. Mini poster, Kobe Bryant. Pretty cool. Second year poster right there. I'll try to sell that one too. That's pretty nice. If I can get the set, I'll probably try to sell the set, you know. I've opened up, I've actually opened up some of these packs in the past, but it was before I thought of the idea of filming, so you were not able to see it. You're not able to see what I pulled. But I got like a big stack of mini posters already, so I might have the full set by now. See if I can get this card to loosen up a little bit before I wedge it away. Alright, we got another rookie card, don't know how to say his name. Last name Edney. Base. And a Chanel Scott. Those are base. Got the mini poster. Derek Anderson, base. Derek Anderson, rookie. Charles Smith, rookie. Walter McCarty, base. Jerry Stackhouse, base, Rasheed Wallace base, and a Gary Payton base card. There's some star players in that stack that I put in the non-star players, but that's alright. I don't think that most people would want that or not. I'm not sure. So okay. Oh, I forgot to show off the mini poster. Guess I'll show that off in a second. Get this pack opened up. Wish that you could get a Jordan mini poster out of here. That would be nice, but fortunately, I don't think you can. There's a Anthony Hardaway mini poster. Anthony Hardaway mini poster. Great shots. It's a nice one. Gotta bend them. Gotta bend the cards. See, I always bend them like this. You always bend them. Bend them. Bend them. Because if you go to just start ripping them apart and stuff like that, you're gonna almost ruin the surfaces of the cards. You rip them. You're not rip them, but you bend them, and you hear all that crumble and crackle and stuff like that, and that helps. So if you're watching this video, I hope that you at least take that away, from the thing. Take that knowledge or whatever I just said to the Maurice Taylor rookie, Jason Lawson base. Those are both rookie cards. Sorry. James Collins rookie, John Thomas rookie, and a Roderick Rhodes rookie. Chris Robinson, Shandon Anderson, and Nate McLillan. Those are all three base. And the Great Shot posters, Antonio Walker. Not going to show him off. And I would guess that like inserts and stuff like that we're supposed to hit are probably going to be at the bottom of the boxes. That would be my guess, because this is whenever they started to do like, the autograph. They did them in '96, but this is when really people started to like learn about them. '97 was the year after, so it gave people time to realize stuff that they could get. So now they're starting to get. That would be my guess, but I don't really know. Ron Mercer, rookie. Here's Abdul Wahab, rookie. T.S. Edney, base. There's the Great Shots poster. Chris Crawford, rookie. Chauncey Billups, rookie. Boyle, rookie. Boyeli. Chris Morris, Zan Tabak, and a Monty Williams. Those are all just base cards. So far, not too many, star player cards. Box isn't looking too good. Jason Kidd, mini poster here. I'll show that Jason Kidd off real quick. He's got some fans out there too. Anyways, there's a Jason Kidd. Jason Kidd, great shots for the people who've never seen one before, I guess. But anyways, I'm still pretty close to the top of the box here. And again, I know this video is probably gonna take a long time. All of my box breaks I always take my time on them. I'm not just gonna rip open the packs just to satisfy you guys. I gotta grade these cards too if they're good ones that I want. And that's usually that's usually why I take my time. Those are all three non-star base cards. God, Shamgod, Austin Crosshair. Hey, there we go. There's a star player card there. But luckily, it's his rookie card. Tim Duncan. Tim Duncan rookie card. I think that card maybe $4 or $5. I'm not sure. All right, so we have a Rex Chapman, Herb Williams, and a Kerry Kittles. Definitely a Hall of Famer though, right there, Tim Duncan. So maybe once he gets in the Hall of Fame or whenever he retires, his rookie card will go up. Because right now his rookie cards don't look. I think his best one is Topps Chrome, 97, 98 Topps Chrome, and that card only goes for like $20 or $30. Kind of ridiculous, I think, but especially for however many championships he's won. But 1997, though, basketball, they had a lot of product out, I think, that year. And, you know, he was a hot rookie, and probably his rookie cards popped up everywhere. Ron Harper. See, we got a Dean Garrett. Emmanuel Davis. I forgot to show the Great Shots poster. Chucky Brown. James Cotton. Or Cotton. That's a rookie, actually. Cliff Robertson and Gerald Wilkins. I'm actually going to turn all these cards around where you can see them a little better. Okay, but that's the rookies here. Those are just the base cards there, and then I put the star players and people that I like there, or people that I know. Here's a David Robinson Great Shots mini poster. David Robinson Great Shots mini poster. And a Mitch Richmond mini poster. Alright, here we go with the next pack. I don't even know what number pack this actually is. I'm not sure. Just kind of going with the flow. Still can't even believe I'm opening this box right here. Still can't believe this. Most boxes too are 24 packs. This is a crazy edition. It's a 36 pack box. All right, Ed Gray, rookie. Antonio Parker, rookie. Kerry Kittles, base. Corey Blount. There's a Reggie Miller. Eric Williams. Derek Harper. Don McLean, and a Jim Jackson. And a mini poster of Charles Barkley. That's a nice star player there. Hopefully it's alright that I didn't show the Charles Barkley. I'm just really hoping to get through this break in one piece, one video. Because this is a big box, and I think the more that I stay underneath the camera and show off your stuff, or show off the stuff that I get, the motions and all the motions and stuff that I do, airs the camera out. It makes me have to start over. Okay. Let's see here. Nick Van Exel, Travis Knight, and an Otis Thorpe. Those are all three base cards there. Great Shots. Rick Smits, Brian Williams. Base, Sean Kemp. Charlie Ward. Clarence Weatherspoon. And Mohammed Abdul Rahif. Those are all base cards. So like I said, you know, nothing too spectacular yet. And Glenn Rice, uh, Great Shots card, or Great Shots mini poster. Sorry I haven't pulled anything great yet for y'all to see. Everything so far is pretty much just average. Haven't pulled any. I pulled a Tim Duncan so far. That was it. Bobby Phillips, Marco Milky. Let's see, Sergio. Those are both rookies. This is a base card. Here is the Great Shots poster. Alright, nice. Here we go. Got another Tim Duncan. That was actually the one that was right behind the Great Shots poster, so it's not even messed up at all. That one's good. That's nice. Oh, I need to well, you can see it though. I've already shown off the Tim Duncan one. Michael Cage, Chris Carr. These are all just base. Kerry Kittles, Chris Webber, and a Juwan Howard. Those are all base cards there. There's a John Stockton. Nice legendary player there. Just gonna go ahead and start going down like one side of the stack. I just kind of wanted to get the box like kind of leveled down a little bit. I'm just gonna probably start going down one stack. We can at least get to the bottom on one side and see if that helps out the odds of pulling any good stuff. Eric Strickland, Latrell Sprewell, and a Pooh Richardson. P-O-O-H, Pooh. Pretty funny actually. There's the Great Shots poster. Eric Williams, Bill Wennington. Those are base cards. Caboose Stewart. Jim Jackson. Ben Wallace, and a Harvey Grant. Alright, give me 1 second. Check my phone. Alright, next pack. The next pack. I don't even know if like this stuff, like you would be able to tell of like the thickness or like what is on some of the cards or what, you know. Marco Milik, Serge, Ron Mercer, those are all 3 rookie cards. Great Shots poster, Tyrone Hill, Eldon Campbell, Chris Mullen, announcer now, pretty cool. Corey Alexander, and Antonio McDyess, and a Mark Price. So, yeah, those are all base cards. I actually thought there was going to be something in that pack. It felt thicker than the other ones. But nothing in there. That's what I was saying about the thickness. Chris Webber. There's a Great Shots poster. Let's see. Oh, there's a cool one. Dennis Rodman. That's nice. It's a horizontal too. Dennis Rodman. That's nice. Great Shots. Dennis Rodman. That's pretty cool. I don't know if Jordan's in that. No, Jordan's not on that poster. No, he's on the image. I mean. Okay. Oh boy. I hope that I pull something cool for you guys, so you'll subscribe. And I'll try to get some more. I'm trying to get more subscribers. I say that in like every video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Do whatever. Try to get some more action on my channel. Dan Marjorie, Antonio Lane. Those are 3 base cards. Yeah, try to get more activity on my channel. Like, so I'm trying to get subscribers. I think I've only got like less than 10. I would like to get double digits. Um, let's see. We got Grant Long, Chris Mullen, Mitchell Butler, Mark Price, Chris Dudley, and Eric Motrace. So hopefully, whenever I do this video, hopefully I reach out to a lot more people. Kerry Kittle's great shots poster. Hopefully I reach out to a different crowd or something like that. I don't know, but you know, like I said, most of my stuff is all like late '90s basketball stuff. I don't pull any newer stuff just because I try to get more Jordan stuff and a lot of his stuff. The newest stuff I pull is probably between '03 and like '07 or something like that. Usually the stuff I pull. Man, that's a nice card. Sorry, I was quiet there for a second because I was kind of shocked. Um, wow, that's a pretty cool card actually. I like that card. Man, that's a nice one. Matt Granger, let's see, Hubert Davis. Those are both base cards. And this card here is actually in really nice shape. Wow, that's a nice card. I mean, it's not worth like a whole ton or anything. Hey, there we go. I got another nice card here too. All right, let me see. I'll show these off. Derek Anderson, Charles Smith. Those are both rookie cards. Um, Chris Mills, Jerry Stackhouse, and Rasheed Wallace. Blah blah blah. Those are all just base cards there. Great shots poster. Just so I told you I did it. Let's see. Brevin Knight and Derek Anderson. Okay. Anyways, we have a Tracy McGrady rookie. Tracy McGrady rookie. Keeping that one. That one's nice. The card that I was in awe about and that I was quiet about, because clearly it's a lot more shiny and stuff like that than all the other ones. The edges aren't too bad, but it's the rookie year. I don't know if this is a rookie card or not, but it's Tim Duncan, chairman of the board. Insert card, chairman of the board, Tim Duncan. Nice hit there. Nice hit. Pretty happy about that. Corners and the edges all look really nice. You know, I don't know if I would waste my money on grading it or not, but somebody else can definitely grade that card. I think that would grade well. 8.5, 9 probably. I do BGS stuff. I mean, I have other companies. I have PSA stuff and a whole bunch of other stuff, but you know, and I buy stuff. But as far as sending my stuff to get graded, I don't use PSA. Let's see, Terry. These are both first two are both base cards. There's another nice hit here. There's another nice hit there. That's the great shots. Let's see, we got an Allen Henderson, James Collins, John Thomas, Eric Snow, Chris Robinson, and Shandon Anderson. Alright, great shots poster is Stephon Marbury, and the insert hit is chairman of the board. Nice shape, good looking card. Dikembe Mutombo, chairman of the board. Dikembe Mutombo. So I got two back to back, and like I said, this box I could kind of tell as I got closer to the bottom, cards were gonna start getting better. And I just like I said, I just went down one of the stacks so I can see like the full bottom. Now, then I'll just start working my way down. That seems to go a little better. Alright, so this pack is at the very bottom of the box. It doesn't always mean that it's going to be good or not. Danny Fortson, Scott Poland, those are both rookie cards. Howard Elsley, base. There's the shots, great shots. Alright, and I got a redemption card, it looks like. Um, I think this is for the autographics actually. Checklist slash redemption card. And it says 97-98 Hoops Series 2 redemption card. Collect all 5 cards and receive a complete basic gold autographics card set. That's really cool. In order to receive the autographics basketball set, you must collect all 5 cards, it says in bold. So that's really cool. This is a really cool redemption card. Somebody might want this still. That's pretty nice. Keep that. I probably won't turn that in. I don't have. That's the first one I've ever seen. But there might be someone out there that wants that old redemption card because the companies now are redeeming old past redemption cards. I think is the rumor that I've had it because whenever they get them, I think they go on like eBay or something like that. It may take a long time for turnaround, but they give you a card like the one for the redemption or one of equal value is what they do, I think. Um, so Mark Strickland, John Barry base card, Brent Price, Otis Thorpe base, Howard Elsley, Carlos Rogers, all base cards. Kind of shift this over a little bit. Okay. Lonzo Mourning, great shots. Alright, now we're going to go to this little stack here. Oh man. So weakness. So weakness. Oh man. Alright. That's a cool card. It's not of the player I wanted, but that's still, man, that's a sweet card. I've never seen one up close before. So, like I said, as we get closer to the bottom, man, we're gonna start getting the awesome inserts. So, it's all about in this day and age. It's all about the '90s basketball inserts, man. I tell you, it is. I mean, so this is really cool. Man, that insert is really nice. We got a Tracy McGrady rookie here. Clifford. Let's see, Chris Wallace. Blah, blah, blah. All right, we have a Danny Jackson, Bobby Jackson, or Tony Matee. Actually, Danny Forte. All right, here we go. Let's see how I'm supposed to get this out of here. Wow, this is a really cool looking. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and show this off. This is a badass card. Excuse my language, but for 1997, this is a sick card. All right, the corners are a little dinged up, but this is those like rare 911 cards, and it's like two cards in one. It slides out. It slides out like this. I mean, the card like comes all the way out. I'm not gonna slide it out, but it's a Sharif Abdul Rahim, I think, or something like that. But the card comes all the way out, and it's number 7 of 10 out of the set. And you know they're not numbered. You just have like the odds and stuff like that of pulling it. But this is a really sweet card. I expected to pull some big insert out of the box. I still got tons of packs left. Um, but I just and you know the back of this thing is just like a casing, but it's 911, and that's the hit though of the. I don't know if that's the hit of the box. I mean, I got a lot of packs left, but I expected to pull something big insert like that. So, um, but it's just not. I was hoping for a bigger name player than that. A lot of my big inserts and stuff like that that I pull are of like lower name players and stuff. At least for the 90s, like stuff like that. So that's just what I would think. Man, well here we go. Here's another really nice looking insert. A really nice looking insert. Andrew Lane, Sam Mitchell. Those are both base cards. Brian Williams, Sean Kemp, and Alan Henderson. Clarence Weatherspoon, Eric Snow. Those are all base cards. And this is a Damian Stoudemire. I'm going to check on the pack really quick to see what the odds and stuff are. So you got a hobby exclusive high voltage, 1 out of every 36, and 20 high voltage, 500 volts, serial number to 500. Let's see, chairman of the board, 1 out of every 9, and the 911, the 911 insert is 1 out of every 288 packs. So that's probably the hardest one to pull, and I got one of them, and it's probably like that was probably like the worst one to get, but I still got one of them though. So and then this hit here I just pulled, good shape too. It's not bad shape. But not the player that I wanted it to be. Kerry Kittles, high voltage. So that's another nice 90s insert. I'll definitely put that up and try to sell that also for someone trying to complete the set. I wish I could have gotten Jordan on either one of those. But I know that per box you're supposed to get one high voltage per box. So, but I'm just gonna go ahead and bust these packs because you know you just never know, and plus I'm never gonna break anything else like this again. So I figured that might as well bust it. There's another hit. There's this one here. Bimbo and Muggsy Bogues. There's that there. Hey, look at that. We've got the second one. I I got a second redemption. So that's two down. We're looking pretty good for that. Michael Cage, Chris Carr, Mark Strickland, Chris Webber, Juwan Howard, and an Otis Stork. Those are all base cards there. We have a nice looking insert here. Chairman of the board, Carl Malone. Chairman of the board, Carl Malone. Nice card there. Nice card. So, I hope that this box is dead. I hope that all the rest of these packs aren't just all chairman of the board cards and base cards and stuff like that. Probably are, but I hope that I can get a 500 high voltage of some player. I would be really happy if I could pull something like that. Elliott, Perry, Stanley. I'm doing pretty good on chairman of the board for being 1 out of every 9, that's for sure. Bill Winnington, base card. Chris Crawford, rookie. Ben Wallace, base. Harvey Grant, base. Chris Morris, base card here. Patrick Ewing, chairman of the board. All the chairman of the boards that I've pulled so far are in really good shape. There's an Allen Iverson, great shots. And I'm really happy that I pulled a 9/11. 1 out of every 288 packs. I've never pulled one before. That's ridiculous. That's crazy. I guess that the hype whenever I pull it, I was like, I don't know. I mean, it's not the player I want. That's probably why I wasn't too excited. But the 9/11, man, that's crazy. Even an autographics is 1 out of every 144. And top of the world is 1 out of every 48. So I've still got tons of packs left in here. So you never know what you can pull until you open it. It just takes one pack to pull that really big card. A lot of people don't realize that. That's where the cards come from, out of packs. Here's the Great Shots poster. Irvin Johnson. Those 2 first cards are non-star base cards. There's a Maurice Taylor rookie. Got a big stack of rookies piling up there. Mookie Blaylock, base. Anthony Johnson, Keith Van Horn, rookie. Let's see, we got a Darvin, Pete, John Wallace. Those are all base cards there. Oh, I forgot to show off Great Shots poster. But that's okay, I'll show it off here. Sam Mitchell. That's just a base card. Keith and Alvin, let's see, there's 2 rookies. Rick Fox, he's an announcer now. Jalen Rose is an announcer now. Those are 3 base cards. Gary Payton, George, there's a base card. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I just realized that those 9/11 cards, you're not even, you could buy a full box and not even pull a 9/11 card, because it's 1 out of every 288 packs. So you could buy, yeah, full box only hits 36 packs. You're guaranteed a high voltage per box, but that's it. And the ones that are numbered out of 500, the sequentially numbered out of 500 ones, those are even more rare because you don't know if you're gonna get those in the box either. So I really think that this video and this box break is really good because I pulled a 9/11 card as a sucky player. You're not even supposed to get one per box. The fact that I pulled it, I should at least get one subscriber. I mean, come on, people. I mean, if you watch this video, that should at least earn me a subscription. You know, I'm trying to get more subscribers. I got like less than 10, and I've got like almost 50 videos. Let's see. Hey, there's a nice star player card. Finally, got a bunch of base cards. I have like no star players. David Robinson, just a base card. See, I wish I could have pulled. Hey, there's a Kobe Bryant. Another great shot, Kobe Bryant. Poster. That's nice. It's a nice like $5 or $8 right there, I guess. Patrick Ewing. Best shots or great shots. I mean, sorry. On Murray. I probably have the full set, you know, by now, which of all the stuff that I have in my closet too. And this video is probably gonna run over an hour. I would probably guess because it's a 36 pack box, and I talk a lot on my videos. But you know, if you're still watching by now, man, you're a great fan. If you're still watching by now, you definitely need to hit the subscription button because you've been watching a video for 45 minutes. Keith Booth, Alvin Williams, and Antonio Daniels. And guaranteed, probably whenever I said that, you're probably gonna look at the clock right when I said that, just to make sure I'm right. Brent Bryce. Let's see, base cards, Howard, Beasley, Carlos Rogers, and Carlos Smith. Man, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look up like the value and stuff like that of what some of these, like what that 9/11 one books for. Shoot, that's probably maybe $15, maybe $30, maybe not though. You know, you got out of one out of every 288, maybe a lot more than that. I don't know. Let's see. I wish that they were numbers though. That'd be really cool. I mean, you got the odds. The basic way to tell how hard they are, just because of the odds, really, I guess. Odds of pulling one, like that's how rare they are, I guess. And especially now, like over 10 years, that card's been sitting in this pack for more than 10 years. Come on, and I pull it. That's ridiculous. Reggie Jordan, not a Michael Jordan, Reggie Jordan. Quincy Williams and Michael Smith. Surprisingly, I haven't pulled any Jordan at all. No Jordans. I'd be kind of disappointed if I didn't pull one Jordan, like base or something. I don't even think that. I think the only thing you can pull is just the high dollar inserts and the base for Jordan. You can't pull any of the subset insert cards. I don't think. All right, here we go. And a great shots poster. Sam Castle, Paul Grant, Charles O'Brien. Let's see. Antonio Johnson, Keith Van Horn, rookie, and Bubba Wells. Those are 5 rookies. Got a lot of rookies in this set. Darvin Ham, John Wallace. All right, getting down to the nitty gritty here. Only got like 8 or so packs left, but I'm getting on the low sides, the low stack ends of the of the uh, of the of the packs or whatever of the stacks at least. So maybe we'll start. If there's any inserts left, maybe we'll pull them. What I'm trying to say, because it's getting down to the lower stacks here. Let's see. Hey, there's a Jordan card. What do you know? What do you know? There's a nice Jordan card. And a base card. Let's see what his percentages are. Alright, alright. What's the average? Dang. His average for the last season was 29.6. That's good. Man, there's a Jordan card. A little off-centered, but still a base Jordan card. Number 220 out of the set. It's a nice looking card. Michael Jordan. Crazy background too. Nice looking background. I'll go on my PC. God, same God. Charles Smith, Billy Owens, Rex Chapman. Oh wait, here we go. There's a rookie. Yeah, there you go. There's the base cards. Alright, let me clear some of these great shots out of here. Maybe we'll get another Kobe Bryant. That'd be good. Mitch Richmond. I'll give some Kobe Bryant fan a little mini poster they can hang up on their door or something. Kevin Garnett, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure by now I probably got the whole set. I got a big stack of these already. Hey, there we go. I got another Kobe Bryant. Alright. I got 3 great shot Kobe Bryant posters. That's really cool. Those gotta book at least like $5. So that's pretty cool. Pretty good. Got at least 3 of those so far. Pretty pumped too. I got a Kobe Bryant mini poster, great shots out of that pack, and I got my base Jordan card. And this is a pretty good box break so far. I think so. I hope that I can pull another big like insert or something, but this nah, I mean I had a second thought about opening any of those because I probably won't pull anything. It's probably just gonna be, you know, like rookies and base cards. Usually whenever stuff like that happens to me, at least, usually just base cards and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna open them all because I've already started opening it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue because I probably won't ever bust a box like this ever again. It wasn't that, you know, it wasn't that it was the price thing. It's just that I don't have the money right now to be buying stuff anyways, to be buying boxes and stuff. So I've had this a long time. And just finally came around to it. I'd like to pull another Tim Duncan too. A Duncan rookie. That'd be nice. Sean Well, Mark West, Brian Shaw. Lots of base cards in this set, man. Like a lot of base cards that I'm pulling. Bubba Wells, Bobby Jackson. Like lots of base cards. Tyrone Hill, Danny Baker, Corey Alexander, Antonio McDyess. Those are base cards. Crazy. Nice card on the stack. I wish I would have went with the with that side first. I should have went with the far side instead of the front side, because the front side had all the good stuff. I've already pulled it all. Alright, we have 3 rookies. Non-stars now. Smokey Shaley, let's see. Chucky Brown. Chuck Pearson, Clifford Robinson. Those are all base cards. Alright, now for the last, this is not the last pack, but the, you know, the final packs here. Looks like I got 3 packs after this right here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just keep on ripping. Keep on ripping. Amon Murray, let's see, Juwan Howard, Rick Fox, announcer, Jalen Rose, announcer. Alright, let's see, George Lynch, alright, keep on ripping, keep on ripping. Here we go. Come on, inserts. Maybe I can get some inserts out of some of these. Probably not, but you never know. Brian Shaw, Michael Finley. Johnny Taylor. There's a David Robinson. And an Allen Iverson. Very nice. Allen Iverson, David Robinson, Nastasi Among or Amongon or something like that. I don't know how you say that. Alright, keep on ripping. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, here we go, here we go. Alright, nothing here, nothing here. Alright, nothing. Brian Grant, rookies. Man, this thing is almost running me an hour, I think, isn't it? David Wesley. Alright, here we go. We have our third redemption card, so I need to collect 5 of these. I need to collect 5 of these to get the set, apparently. And then we have our second MJ. That's really nice. Second MJ base card. Second MJ. That's cool. Yeah, I got like 3 of these little redemption cards so far. And it says you gotta collect 5 to get the whole set. That's crazy. But it's from '97, and they're probably not. I don't even think this company is around anymore, Skybox. So, um, Billy Williams, Rex Chapman, Herb Williams. Those are base cards. All right, so we have came down to the last pack. This box is empty, man. This box is out. O-U-T. This is the last pack. This is the last pack for all the marbles. Probably gonna be a dud. Probably gonna be nothing in it, I would imagine, because I am not that lucky. Let's see, blah blah blah. We have Charles Barkley. Those are 3 base cards there. There's a Great Shots poster. Terrell Brandon. There's a Reggie Miller. Stars, player stack. Derek Harper and a Don McLean. Those are the base cards right there. And just so I said that I did it, I will go through all of the Great Shot posters. You get a Great Shots poster, 1 per pack. I got a big old stack of them right here. Huge stack. Alright, Dikembe Mutombo. That is a Great Shots poster. Shahid Abdul Rahim. I think that was actually the player that I pulled for the 9/11 there. Looks like it. Grant Hill. Mini poster. There's a trio mini poster. Let's see. Mini poster of Chris Webber. Mini poster. Come on, give me another Kobe Bryant. Oh, Charles Barkley. Alright, well, I'm pretty sure that that's it. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I got an amazing high voltage Kerry Kittles. Really nice condition. Card 9 of 20 out of the set. Again, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go through all these cards though off the air or whatever, and then I have the 9/11, which most people like. This is what you would be getting right here. Like this is like if you've got a normal box, this is probably all you get. Big stack of base cards, some rookie cards, a few star players, chairman of the boards, and a high voltage. That's all you would really get. But to top it all off, just to show you one last time, you got the ultra rare 9/11 insert, 1 out of every 288 packs. I think it's Abdul or Shahif Abdul Rahim, I guess is his name. That's the card right here. That's the card that came out of the 9/11, and then you have the 9/11 thing right here. So, anyways, that's it. I'm gonna put this card back in here. If you're still watching right now, man, I really appreciate it. You're a good fan, a good watcher, and I hope you enjoyed it. This is a great box break. It might be the last one for the night. Thanks again, and see you next time.